Good afternoon. I'm MrTieDye, and we're getting ready to open up the Sun Tapestry number 4 from this past Wednesday's live video shoot. We did an incline ice dye on this. I know you guys have been waiting, so we're going to open this puppy up in just a couple seconds. Okay, I'm liking what I see so far. Okay, let's do this.
Yay!
Yeah, I'm loving that. Alright, let's get this baby washed up. Okay, and the other thing we dyed on Wednesday was this wild spiral that I mixed up my own colors mostly. I think there was a couple like fuchsia, maybe, no, this yellow was. Anyways, this here is a wild spiral with the mixed colors from our color mixing section of the live video. So, yeah, probably could have used a little bit more saturation there, but we'll open this thing up. Okay, here we go.
Woo! Yippee!
There's our color mixing results and the wild spiral. We'll get these washed up and have them posted later.